Everyone thinks this paper crunch, or you can say paper cut transition, was made in Premiere Pro, but it's 100% created using Canva mobile app. So in this video I will tell you how you can create this paper crunch or cut transition using Canva mobile app. So let's get started. So first open Canva app and tap this video option here. You can choose any video type you want. If you are creating long form video and you want that transition, you can choose landscape, or if you are using vertical video like reels or shorts, then you can use this mobile video. Okay, so I'm going to create a vertical video, so tap on mobile video. So let's hide this template option, just swipe down and your page will be appear here. So first we will add our base video. To add base video, tap on this add media option, tap on media and tap on this video option here in the middle to choose video. Let me search it again, model, search, and now you can see many videos. Okay, so select any you want. So I am going to choose this one, looks good. Just I will sort this video, cut this video like this, 5 seconds is enough. And now, so here is the most important part that people skip. You can't cut or crunch straight into a video clip and expect it to look real. Paper crunches onto a paper. Okay, so before anything else, add a new page and search the video library for paper texture. Let's see. Just tap on this plus icon, tap on add media, tap on video option and search paper background. You can select any. I am going to select this light one. So go to the light colored because it's blend easier. Okay, this one. Okay, let's sort this video, cut this video more like this. 2 seconds is, I think, no, 2 or 3 seconds. Now tap on again plus icon, media, video and search only paper and select this one. Choose this one, green screen paper effect, this one. Tap on this. Now just tap and hold this clip and drag it to the first position here on top of all those clips. Now let's see the clip. Okay, cut it here, tap on this, split and delete this one. Okay, good. Now you can zoom the timeline, just pinch and zoom on your mobile. Okay, now tap, hold and tap here and drag this like this. Now we have to remove the background. Tap on this and tap on BG remover. It will remove the background. Tap on BG remover. See? But you can see the green lines are all over the paper effect. That's not look good. So tap on this and tap on adjust and go to the white option. Increase it around 50 to 51. Okay, saturation 0, minus 100. I think it's good now. Save it. Now let's see. Looks good. You can trim this more like this. Okay, let's see. See, this looks good. You can add any text or any element here. Let me add it here first. Now let's see the effect. Looks good. You can use this in your videos to make it look more creative. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon to see more content like this.